Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare CD certificate of deposit rates on Nerdwallet. Looking for a safe place to grow your savings with guaranteed returns? CDs might be your answer, but not all CDs are created equal. Here's how to compare CD rates like a pro using Nerdwallet. Step 1. Understand the basics of CD. A certificate of deposit locks in your money for a set period, typically from a few months to several years, in exchange for a fixed interest rate. Step 2. Use Nerdwallet's CD rates comparison tool. Head to Nerdwallet's website and you can check out their CD comparison page. You can filter by term length, that's between 6 months, 1 year and 5 years. You can also check the APY, that's the annual percentage yield, as well as the minimum deposits required. Step 3. Compare APYs across banks. So you want to look beyond big banks. Online banks and credit unions often offer higher APYs. Nerdwallet lists both so that you can make a side-by-side comparison. Step 4. Factor in minimum deposit requirements. Some CDs require $500, $1,000 or more to open. Nerdwallet highlights these thresholds so that you can filter out options that don't fit your budget. Step 5. Watch for early withdrawal penalties. If you need access to your money early, you'll likely pay a penalty. Nerdwallet outlines these for each CD option so that you're not caught off guard. CDs are low risk and reliable, but only if you lock in the best rates. Nerdwallet makes it easy to compare your options and to grow your savings confidently. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.